So one of the things that people are always complaining about with us, or not people, the sellers and builders, is that we keep calling out this lintel flashing. So the lintel flashing, there's your lintel, and the flashing should be between the lintel and the brick and integrated up inside and into the inner wall weather barrier. And you can clearly see the back of the lintel on this one, which tells me that it's not there, and this is the reason why we want to see it. You can see this damage right here, and you can also see here's the lintel flashing. The bricklayers just cut it off right here, and so any water that gets in the wall is coming down to this point and just rotting out the wood. That's why we want to see lintel flashing, and you can see it's beginning to happen over here too. So that's why we want to see it done right.